Hi everyone, this is Anchal Malhotra and today I'm going to talk about Rosemary Essential Oil from Sarva by Anadi, perfect for hair, skin and aromatherapy. This oil has become quite popular for its rejuvenating, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This oil from Sarva by Anadi is 100% pure and natural, undiluted, vegan and cruelty-free. Rosemary essential oil provides a wide variety of benefits, making it a perfect natural solution for home DIY remedies. For hair, this oil helps in promoting and stimulating of hair growth. It also helps with dandruff and premature graying. Aromatherapy with this rejuvenating oil helps to enhance mood. It also helps in boosting concentration and focus. Having anti-inflammatory properties, this oil helps to ease pain and inflammation. This oil from Sarva by Anadi is a perfect natural solution for insect repellent. This bottle of rosemary essential oil has a shelf life of good 2 years when stored in a cool, dry place. So do try out this oil from Sarva by Anadi and make it part of your daily routine.